Just pulled up. It's not Bethesda. We're actually in Northwest DC. But yep, got to go in here. I think it's only one TV. I also think that I need to assess some audio video stuff. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I'm here. Day 2. We locked in. So far, we got $200 in the kitty. Remember, the goal is to get $325 today. So hopefully we can get that here and then move on to the next. All right, here now. So what I'm doing is basically swapping this TV, changing out the bracket, remounting it, and then they got some speakers that we're going to take a look at. Cool. All right, so here was the goal. So we can swivel it, turn it. We accomplished the goal. Just took a quick bathroom break, but I discovered this. I thought this was cool. Just want to share it with you. Not being nasty. Check this out. When you are going through hell, keep going. Winston Churchill. We gotta keep pushing. Let's just keep pushing. All right, y'all, I just finished, and I just want to share with you. It's the small things that count, right? Because you can see how I'm parked. See that? And that sign right there. My butt is out. Because, you know, I be thinking I'm being quick with it. No ticket, though. No ticket. We winning, baby. Thank you. Thank you, Northwest Parking Police. Appreciate y'all. All right, we on to the next. That was 300. So we're going to add that to the kitty. So that's 5 so far. Crushed out goal already. Still got 2 more stops. All right. So, like, if you're in, like, a, you know, urban area, cities, downtowns, whatever, high traffic areas, I'm going to tell you this, small cones. So, like, when I'm in a work van, normally small cones work. Just people respect cones for some reason. They won't mess with you with small cones, or the big cones, but I use the small ones. And then hazards, man. Throw on them hazards. You know, it look like you're doing a delivery, especially during this time of the year. All right, back to it. I am headed to Northeast. So I'm leaving Northwest, headed to Northeast. 6 miles away, right? But it's going to take me 28 minutes. I can't make this up. Can you see that? Right? Can you see that? 6 miles, 27 minutes. All right. It is now 1 o'clock. So we on point. All right. Holler at you at the next one.